Hey there, McAllister here with Toshi DIY, and today we're going to be taking a look at something I just got from Spotify. They released a gadget called the Car Thing, and it's supposed to be like a music track switcher. All I really know about it is that it has a little wheel and what I believe to be a touch screen. It's made to go in your car. I don't even know if it comes with a mount, and it's just made to help you manage music and whatnot. So I look at it like a radio specifically for Spotify in my car, and I like to play music when people are in the car, and I like to be able to control it. So this ought to be a fun way. I wanted CarPlay in my car, but wasn't able to afford a car that had it. So this may be a fun way to have that kind of experience. So it came in the box that's right here. And all I know about it, aside from the knob and the touchscreen, they emailed me and said, hey, they were coming out with the Car Thing. Let us know if you want to pre-order it. Then I saw it come out and it was $100 and I was like, no, I don't want it. Well, they did another release and they said it was $40 or some sort of deal. So either they did well or did bad, and they're trying to get them in more cars. So I went ahead and ordered one a couple days ago and now it's arrived. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. I think I'll set my phone down against this thing, go ahead and unbox it at the table, and we'll take a look at it. So this is how it comes in, drive with your music. So I'm liking the little pink Spotify logo, that's kind of cool. It's neat, little knob right here. So this is it, very thin. I mean, my hand size, there's this right here. So, oh, it's kind of still tactile. So it spins, got a press in, meet your car thing. Can I put this off or does it snap off? There we go. So it does come with a mount, it looks like right here. So nice, it has mounting options. Here looks like a little air mount right here and a easy little jack plug-in. Let's see how long this cable is, because that's gonna make me a little nervous. Oh, this is pretty cool. All right, so they also give you a cleaning cloth, so I can set it up and then wipe off the front so it looks nice and clean. And they give me 2 cable mounts if I wanna run it along the side of my middle dash console. The cable's a nice and braided cable, very easy, but only about, I'd say maybe 3 foot, 2 foot, not very, very long. So let's see what it can basically do. Hey, Spotify will allow for different things, press and hold to preset, home. So this is the guide I'm reading. So I might just read this over, plug it in my car, see where it fits, and then tell you what all it can do. So let's just go ahead and skip to that. Parents' house, not mine. I wish I could flex like that, but it's not. Also forgot the cable, so let's hop in here and see what we got going on. So right now, car's got a pillow, ignore that. So I think I want it on this vent right here, right next to the steering wheel, so I can just reach over, adjust it and all that. So we're gonna try the vent mount. All right, so this is where the camera's gonna go for the time being while I get this. The weather's really nice, actually. I'll leave the door open until it causes me an issue like a bug flies in here. So we're gonna check the little manual out. My first question is, do I have a cigarette lighter? I do, so we'll plug this little doohickey in. I assume these are a standard size kind of thing. So this is the clip to plug it and mount it. So let's check the mounting. So let's adjust this and find its seating. So I guess I just go in here. Mounting, here's what I'd like, because I'd like this kind of view if I have it right in my almost line of sight, so it matches these little screens. But if you look at this mount, it's just not it for this one right here. Like I can get it on there, then I'm jammed. I can't do it anymore. And it's like, I'd like, my air is a little bit more important than that. So this is the seating mount. I'm really liking it so far. It may stop me from using these buttons, but I don't really care. This is the only button I use because this is for aux, which is what I always listen to. So mounting, as of right now, I would imagine it'll look like that. I'm probably gonna go for this one for now, because I can always keep these in a box right there, or in the box right there, and that might be the move. So we're gonna go back to installing on the CD drive. All right, so we're gonna go back to installing it with the CD drive thing. So the next stage should be attaching this little thing to the back of the car thing, which I currently don't see how to do. Is it magnetic? Very magnetic. So this comes right off. Didn't realize that. So here it is, right on there, and it's actually pretty sturdy. I had to slide it off to get it off. So it wants me to attach the puck first to the mount. I think I'm gonna press this in. All right, it's quote unquote installed now. Let's go ahead and get the cable running. We're gonna have to try to find a way to cable manage this nicely. So it's gonna have to run from the left. So this is where my cable's having to run from. I think I'm gonna run it to here. Put one of my little dots here, like so. Little dots going this way. Run it up to here, and then across to it. We're just gonna see how that works. I don't think there's an angle I can give you that'll let you see that process, but I will try. So I may not have the other little tie-off thing, but I'm confident I can find it with a little bit of peeking. Otherwise, I'll do my best to just run the cable for now to test it out. But I'll be back once I find it or decide I give up. Found it. Never mind, it was very buried in the box. I'm just gonna go ahead and plunk this last one on once I find out about the height I need. Okay, a little hiccup. This one is not feeling very sticky. That other one feels rock solid where I put it, but this one right here is not feeling so. inclined. Now I'm gonna try a different surface and hopefully that'll make it stick, but I didn't go through all this trouble finding it for nothing. No, it did fall down on the floor the first time, so it may have not been sticky to begin with, but I'm just gonna press it on there and hope for the best. It's probably gonna fall out. Yeah, it pops right out. That's kind of annoying. Like I said, the one broke off. This one's pretty good. I'm hoping it'll hold. Cable shoved back in here. We have one just easy line going from there. All right, we're gonna turn on the thing and see if it doesn't. All right, awesome. Spotify, my phone might disconnect as it connects to the car. Awesome, welcome to the car thing. Start setup. Okay, so I'm gonna scan this and we'll continue from there. I'm hoping this will work, but it's kind of cool. Once I got plugged in, it welcomed, the speakers came on and said, welcome to your car thing. Let's take a tour. First tip.
Using your voice to get to music and podcasts is easy. Let's do a little practice run. Hey Spotify, play some driving music.
Hey Spotify, play some driving music.
Sure, on the home screen, you'll find shortcuts to stuff you love, search results from your last voice request, and all your saved music and podcasts. Try turning the dial to browse. Now press the dial to see the songs or episodes for the selected item. Press the dial again to start playing.
All right, so the tour is kind of cool. Took about a minute, so if you're gonna plug it just straight in, I think it'll make you do the tour no matter what, so warning to you. But Easy has a bunch of different little settings here, so you just scroll the wheel to move along this page, pretty standard as you'd guess. This takes you to the now playing screen. This can take you back out of it, so this is your back button. It didn't explain what any of these buttons were up here. Fun little option. It was about 40 bucks. Would I recommend it? I don't know. I'll give you my opinion maybe in the comments a little bit later, but right now, this is your just quick, rough and easy guide on what it does and what it is. So take that as you will.